Today, we've got a piece of obsidian here to discuss. Obsidian is a volcanic glass. It's in essence an igneous rock that forms from cooling lava. It's an extrusive rock, which means that when a volcano or a vent erupts lava at the surface, it cools very quickly. So quickly, in fact, that all of the little atoms in there that make up the molecules of these minerals don't have time to align themselves to one another and make nice orderly minerals. In fact, they don't align themselves at all. It's very random in there. And we call that, in solid earth terms, a glass, a non-crystalline mass. Now, what does that mean? If I have a glass in my kitchen and I drop it on the ground, it shatters into sharp pieces. Same thing with volcanic glass and obsidian. If I drop this on the ground, it would break almost randomly, and it would shatter and be very sharp. And that's typical of obsidians that you find in nature. This one is interesting as well because look how dark it is. This is very silica rich. It's probably 75% silica. So remember, silica is silicon and 2 oxygen atoms. That's the chemical formula for silica. And this is about 75% silica. That means 25% of this rock is impurities. It's other stuff in there that prevents light from passing through the way glass would in your kitchen. So 25% of what's probably an iron-rich mineral of some kind in there clouding the way. It gives these rocks a very dark color. And all of that is inherited from that magma and that lava that originally erupted. In addition, this piece is really cool because it has crystals. I don't know if you can see that, but we have little green crystals. Those are called phenocrysts. These crystals were starting to cool even down deep when it was still magma. And they got caught up and sucked up into this giant eruption and pulled along for the ride. And as this glass froze around it, they got trapped in there. And they basically are floating in this rock. And so there were multiple things going on in the magma chamber at the time, and we can tell that by looking at this piece of glass. This particular piece of glass is from Australia, but you can find obsidian anywhere in the world that you find volcanic rocks that are high in silica. We call them felsic igneous rocks. So the next time you go to a volcano, keep an eye out on this cool shiny stuff.